Bienvenidos de nuevo. Hola a todos. Buenas noches. Because it's 11:42 p.m. Okay. Mi nombre es Michael Ayento. Tengo 20 años and actualmente estudiante en Davao del Norte State College, conocido también como DNSC. Cursando el programa es Licenciatura en Ciencia Tecnología de la Información, mi segundo año la universidad. I am from BSIT 2C. Okay. And for today's video, I'm going to configure and verify small networks topology, which is our midterm hands-on exam. This is the skills assessment of our subject, which is the IT 222 Networking 1. And I already input my full name, Ayando Michael, and section BS IT 2C. Okay, so we're going to do is to configure that topology, which is configure and verify small network. Okay, but before that, sorry, as you notice, I speak Spanish and English. Okay, wag na natin to pahirapan. Let's speak Filipino. Kaya ko naman. Let's try our best. So ngayon, gagawa muna tayo ng ganito. Yung, what do you call this? Yung ganitong setup. sorry. Okay. Mag-build muna tayo mag-design muna tayo. Design. Okay. PC. And then, switch. Sorry. Switch. And then, router. Then, switch ulit. Ayusin natin. Switch ulit. PC naman. Okay. We're going to do is to connect each other by using our cables. And gagamitin ng cable natin is straight through. Okay, PC1 to switch. Okay. And then here PC2 switch and PC to switch. And next we're going to connect from router to switch. Router gigabit Ethernet 0/0, don't forget that, to switch. And then router gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Okay, connect. And then gigabit Ethernet 0/2 and connect. So next we're going to rename. So dito tayo mag-start sa PC2. Sa PC2 tawag natin siya ay PC3. Dito naman sa PC1 is PC2. Tsaka ito naman is PC1. Excuse me. Okay. Ito naman din ang ating switch 1 or pinaikli natin siya sa SW1 and SW2 and SW3. And this is our router 1. Okay, or R1. Okay. As you notice, and the example is color green and then sa atin ay red kasi hindi pa siya connected. So, ang gagawin natin is i-config natin siya. Punta tayo sa config. Hanapin natin yung tatlong Gigabit Ethernet. Naalala niyo yung kanina, yung pag-connect natin sa router to switch, 'di ba may kanya-kanya silang mga gigabit Ethernet. Yung mga interface nila. 'Yun. So, dito punta tayo. Input natin yung IP address and naka subnet address. So, saan man natin ito makikita? Okay, nandito sa ating addressing table. Okay, ang ating IP address is for gigabit Ethernet 0/0 is 192 that 168.1.1, and also click the subnet mask. It's all automatically and on. Do not forget to turn on. Okay, and then move to 0/1. Same with that 192.168 and okay 2.1. Okay, the subnet mask, and do not forget to turn on, and then move to gigabit Ethernet 0/2 192.168.3.1, and then subnet mask. Okay, and turn on. Okay, X. Okay, perfect. Okay na. Nag-green na siya. It means, sorry. Lumalabas talaga yung pagka-slang natin. Okay lang yan. Okay. So, we're going to do these objectives. Okay, the part 1 is configure initial device configurations. Part 2, configure devices and verify connectivity. And the part 3 is to gather information with show commands. Okay. In the background, in this activity, you will configure the R1, switch 1, 2, and 3 with basic initial settings. You will also configure PCs with the correct IP address. Once you have successfully verified connectivity, you will use show commands to gather information about the network. Okay, let's do the part 1. Configure initial device configuration. Okay, letter A, configure the device name according to the addressing table. Okay, device name, which is the RT1. Router 1 or R1. R1 lang kasi nandito. Okay, punta tayo sa router CLI. Okay, exit muna natin to. Exit. Lahat exit lang. Exit. Enter. Okay. So we're going to type enable or shortcut N and config T or configure terminal, and then host name. Yung host name natin is R1, and then exit. Okay, nagawa na natin siya. Enter. Okay, B. Sabi na tayo. Assign exam 1 as the encrypted privilege exec mode password. Okay. Okay. Letter B, we're going to config terminal. Okay, gagawin natin na siyang enable secret. Secret natin is exam 1. Huwag nyo nang kalilimutan. Enter, and then exit. Okay. Gusto nyo bang try natin? Sige, try natin. Exit muna natin. Exit. Okay. Gagawin natin is, enable lang natin siya. Humingi na siya na password. So, yung password natin is, yung secret, enable secret natin is, exam 1. Okay. Enter. Okay. Okay, letter C. Assign midterm as the console password and enable login. Okay, don't forget. Same with thing with the letter B. Config terminal. Okay. Password is midterm, like that. Let me check the spelling. Okay, good. Enter. Ay, sorry. Midterm. Uh, let me, okay. Config. Let me exit muna. Exit again. Okay, let's do this again. Enable. Okay, the password is exam1. Okay, config terminal. Okay. Nakalimutan pala natin yung kasi ang yung midterm gawin pala natin siyang console. So, console password. So, line console 0 tsaka yung password. Sorry, nakalimutan lang. Password midterm. Okay, let me check. Okay. Enter. Okay, good. Okay. Login. Exit. Sorry. Exit. And then exit. Let's, tingnan natin. Exit also. Let's try. Tingnan natin siya. Okay. Console password is midterm. Enable. And then, the enable secret is exam1. Okay, good. So, letter D, encrypt all plain text password. Okay. Okay, deconfig terminal. Service password encryption. Tama ba spelling natin? Okay. And then exit. So, let's show run. Tingnan natin. Let's check. Show run. Okay. Okay, ito na yung host name natin, which is R1. Okay. This is our enable secret, which is the exam1. Okay. Okay. Tsaka ito na din yung natin, line console password is ito na siya. Ito siya yung midterm. So, okay, letter E, create a banner that warns anyone accessing the device that authorize access only. Okay. Config terminal, and then banner MOTD hashtag. Okay, this is a secure system period authorize access only. Okay, don't forget to hashtag, or it means that close tag. Okay, enter. Okay, and then exit. Let's show run natin siya. Okay, ito na yung natin, Okay, ito na yung banner natin. This is a secure system, authorized access only. Okay, good. So, punta na tayo sa step 2, switch configurations. So, punta tayo sa switch. Punta tayo sa switch 1. And then, CLI. Then, enter lang. Okay, same with that. Configure muna natin yung mga device name nila. Okay, enable config t lang, and then hostname natin is sw1. Okay, and then ano ba, okay na, letter A, exit na natin siya, exit, and then sa ano na tayo, sa letter B, right? Okay, letter B, assign exam1, sige, assign exam1 as the encrypted privilege exec mode password. Okay, config terminal, and then enable password, enable secret, which is ano daw, exam1. Okay, enter, exit ulit. Okay, dana, diba? Okay, letter C. Okay, letter C. Okay, assign midterm as the cool console password and enable login. Okay, dalawa yung purpose niya. Okay, config terminal, and then line console 0, and then password niya ay midterm. Okay, midterm, and then log in, and then exit, and then gawin natin is enable password din daw, enable password. Okay, enable password is ano ba to, midterm, mali, midterm. Okay, configure. Okay na siya, exit, and then exit. Okay, encrypt, letter D, encrypt all plain text password. Okay, password natin is midterm, enable, and then exam1. Okay, sa D natin is config, D na tayo, i-encrypt natin yung lahat. Config terminal, and then service password encryption. Okay, enter, and then exit, and then show run natin siya, show run. Okay, ito na yung enable secret natin, yung exam1, enable password natin, yung console is midterm, then okay, ito na siya. Okay, sa letter E, same with the router, gagawin natin na siya ulit ng banner. Okay, config terminal, and then banner motd, hashtag this is a secure system. Authorize access only. Okay. Okay, sunod. Exit. And then show run. Okay. Show run natin. Ito na yung dalawang password natin, which is the exam 1 and midterm. And then, ito na yung ating banner. Okay. So, dito muna siya. So, let's go back muna tayo sa router kasi may nalilimutan tayo eh. As you notice, hindi natin yun na ilagay yung sa assign midterm as enable login. Ang nagawa lang kasi natin is console password. So, ulitin natin siya. Enable config terminal. Try lang natin ha kung gagana. Para nalimutan ko kasi. Sorry. Config and then line console. Kung pwede pa ba siya. Line console 0. And next is password midterm. And then login. Sorry. Login. Wala siya space. Then exit. Tsaka enable natin siya as enable password. Password which is midterm. Okay, midterm. Okay, and then exit. And then exit ulit. Show run natin siya. Show run. Kung meron na ba talaga. Okay, successful. Ito yung enable secret natin which is the exam 1. Tsaka ito yung enable console password natin is midterm. So, nalimutan lang, binalikan natin, tsaka nag-successful na naman. So, let's go back to the step 2. So, sa step 2 naman is sa switch 1. Sa mga switch. So, successful na tayo sa switch 1. Proceed na tayo sa switch 2. So, ang process nito is same lang sa switch 1. Okay. Okay. We're going to Okay. So switch 2, I'm going to enable and config terminal host name switch 2. Okay. Nice. And then okay. So okay, na-rename na natin siya as host name and then exit. So okay. Let's move to letter B. Assign exam 1 as encrypted privilege, exec mode and password. Except mode password. Okay. Config terminal and then Makati lang. Enable secret. Tama ba spelling natin? Exam 1. Okay. And then exit ulit. So, okay. Okay, letter C. Assign midterm as the console password and enable password. So, okay. Careful. Kasi kanina nalimutan natin eh. So first thing is gagawin natin siyang console password, and after that we're going to enable login password. Okay. Config terminal, and what is next? Line console, diba? Line console 0, and then password natin. Password, which is the midterm. Don't forget the sign. Midterm, and then enter and log in. No, log in, and then exit, and then put enable password, which is midterm again. Okay, nagawa natin siya, di ba? Kanina ginawa natin siyang line console, and ngayon gagawin natin siya ng enable password, which is the midterm also. Okay, enter, and then exit, then exit. Okay, nice. Let's be check. Okay, what is the console password? It's midterm. Okay, midterm. Okay, next is we're going to enable. What is our enable secret? It's exam 1. Okay, nice. Okay, letter D, encrypt all plain text passwords. Okay, config terminal, and then service password dash encryption. Okay, let me check. Enter. Okay, and then exit, and then show run. Okay, ito na yung enable secret natin, which is the exam 1. Enable password natin is midterm. Okay. Okay, punta na tayo sa letter E. Okay, sa letter E, sorry. Sa letter E, create your own banner that warns anyone accessing the device that authorized access is prohibited. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin na banner, same lang, ganun pa rin. Sorry. Okay. Config terminal. Okay, going to banner. Banner MOTD hashtag this is a secure system and authorize access only. And then exit. We're going to show run. Okay, it is the enable secret password, enable password, and then let me check okay, the banner is here. Sorry. This is a secure system, authorized access only. Okay, good. Nice. So, punta tayo sa switch 3. Ganun pa din. Punta tayo dito. Okay, we're going to enable config terminal hostname SW3. Okay, and then exit. Okay, nagawa na natin yung letter A. Letter B, assign exam 1. Okay, config config terminal. Okay. Enable secret is exam 1, and then exit also. Exit, and then letter C, assign midterm as a console and enable login. Okay. Config terminal, and then line console line console 0, and then password midterm, and then login, and exit. After that, gagawin natin din siyang enable login, which is the enable password, which is midterm. Okay. Sorry. Wrong spelling tayo sa enable. Enable password midterm. Okay, and then exit. Show natin. Okay. Ito na siya. Enable secret and enable password. Okay. So next is encrypt all plain text in password. So config terminal service password dash encrypt encryption, enter, and then exit, and then sa letter E, gawan daw natin siya ng banner ulit. So kung anong banner natin sa switch 1 tsaka 2, yun din sa switch 3. Okay. Config terminal. Okay. Let's smile. Enjoy lang. I love networking. Okay. Switch, configure terminal, and then banner MOTD hashtag this is a secure system, authorized access only. Okay, and then exit, and then finally show run natin siya. Check natin kung nandun ba yung mga nilagay natin. Okay, ito yung enable secret password natin, which is the exam 1, enable password or the console password, which is the midterm, and then our banner, which is this is a secure system, authorized access only. Okay, done for the step 2. Okay, punta na tayo sa part 2. Okay, part 2 is configure devices and verify connectivity. Step 1, PC configuration. Configure the IP address according to the addressing table. Okay. Punta tayo sa PC1. Ba't ang tagal ni PC1? Oh my god. No. Balik muna tayo dito sa table. Okay. So let's go to desktop and then IP configuration. Okay. The IP address of PC1, which is the 192.168.1.3. The subnet mask and then default gateway is 192.168.1.3. Ay, ganun ba? 1.1, sorry. 1.1. And then X. Move tayo sa PC2. Desktop IP configuration. 192.168.2.3. Okay, subnet mask and then the default gateway 192.168.168.2.1. Okay, move to PC3. Okay, same with that IP address 192.168.3.3, and then the default gateway 192.168. Okay, 3.1. Okay. So, nagawa na natin yung part 2, step 1. Okay, step 2. Verify the connectivity from PC1 to PC2 using ping command. Okay. I-connect daw natin sila. I-test daw natin yung ano natin. Subukan natin sila, di ba? Okay, go to PC1 and punta tayo dito sa command prompt. I-ping daw natin siya ang PC1 sa PC2. Okay. PC1 sa PC1 tayo, i-ping natin siya sa PC2. Yung IP address ng PC2 ay 192.168.2.3. Enter. Okay, good. Okay. Try naman natin si PC1 to PC3. Okay, ping 192.168.3.3. Okay, nice. Good. So, sa PC1 is successful. Connect na siya. So, try natin din dito sa verify connectivity from PC1 to PC3. Okay, na ginawa na natin, di ba? Okay, letter C, verify connectivity from PC2 to PC3. Okay, dito naman din sa PC2. Command prompt natin, i-ping natin si PC3 dito. PC3 192.168.3.3 ping. Okay, reply. Nice. Okay, tsaka i-ping natin dito si okay. Okay, nice. Successful din si PC2. Then kahit wala dito sa guide, i-try naman natin yung i-ping si 3 kung successful din ba siya. Sorry. Ping natin siya kay 1. Ping 192.168. Ano ba yung IP address ni 1? 1.3. Okay. Tsaka pin natin siya ulit kay 2. 192.168.2.3. Okay. Successful. Lahat ng PC natin ay connected na from each other. Okay. Connected na siya sa PC2 to PC3, tsaka si PC2 connected na siya kay PC1 at tsaka PC3, tsaka si PC3 connected na siya kay PC1 at tsaka kay 2. So, mga ginawa natin is tama. Okay. Okay. Dito po nagtatapos ang ating exam or the skills assessment sa networking. So, lahat ng na-configure natin is tama dahil connected na siya to each other. Gaya na yung pagting natin kanina. Okay. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and hopefully this video is makakatulong din ito sa susunod na estudyante dahil i-upload ko to sa YouTube. Sorry. Pero hindi pa ngayon. Not now, but soon. Okay? Thank you very much, sir. Muchas gracias a todos.